Just 1 minute exercises for you to achieve a slim waist, lose your weight overall, and see results in less than 5 days. Sounds unbelievable, right? But today I'm going to show you the same move which I tried and I saw amazing results with. So today I'm going to show you exactly what to do right here, sitting on your bed. Hello everyone, this is dietitian Natasha Mohan. I am also a fitness enthusiast and I love sharing exercises which are easy, doable, effective, completely beginner friendly and no equipment needed. It can get easier than this because so many people who join my weight loss program have seen amazing results with these very one simple move exercises, which is just 1 minute exercise. What more do you want? No jumping, no crunches. Absolutely beginner friendly. These are some of the easiest exercises that you will end up doing just 1 minute a day for 5 days. You will experience your belly shrinking, your weight dropping, your energy increasing. What more do you want? So let's begin with the first move. You have to sit straight at the edge of your bed with your hands beside your sides, and we are going to paddle our legs like this. I hope you're doing it along with me. Well done! Now that we're done with the warm-up, let me show you this amazing move. All you have to do is lift your legs higher, but one by one, like this. Lift it as high as you can. Don't stop just yet. We're about to finish a minute. Well done. So proud of you. If you have been able to do the previous move successfully, then let's move on to the next move together. For that, again, you have to sit straight at the edge of your bed and you have to lift your legs higher. But this time, you're going to clap beneath your thighs like this. This will help you lift your leg closer to your chest, which is really good exercise for your lower belly and your upper belly. So fun, so easy, and so effective. Well done, you have completed a minute. If you have successfully completed the previous exercises, let's move ahead to the next lot. This exercise is even more fun and even more effective, targeting your entire belly area. It's super simple. You just have to keep your legs wider than your shoulder width apart. Keep your torso straight, your core muscles tucked in, and you just have to bend forward like this. Touch the floor, come up. If you have successfully completed the previous lot of exercises, you know what's coming up. This very exercise. So be advancing together to the next level with this one simple move. Just 1 minute. Join your legs, complete a circle, then come backwards. Like this. Well done. So proud of you. So if you have enjoyed today's exercises, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And do let me know in the comments below. Do you like to see me in green color or my original red color t-shirt? I'll be happy to know your views on this. And if you're looking for more exercises, I'm here every week. Do stay tuned. And if you're looking to join a paid weight loss customized program, which is made according to your needs, your preferences, your likes and your dislikes, this is the one-stop shop. All you have to do is click on the link given below in the description and you can get in touch with me. I will be designing your program along with a team of dietitians, doctors, and health counselors just for you. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.